Oh, what's up, y'all? We are live, man. Back at it on the charts again. It's your boy T Litty, bringing y'all some fire content, man. This is Monday trading. Right now, I'm waiting on market to hit some of my zones before I jump in. That's what transforms. Oh, transforms average into excellence. And here goes Freya, as always. As soon as I start talking, she think it's time to jump on me, and I guess she ready to trade too. You know what I'm saying? You just ready to trade too, ain't you? Ain't you, girl? So hopefully y'all watched the video from yesterday, man. I put out some straight heat, man, and today we gonna be trading off of that heat to test out my theory. Right now the market is man, it's doing pretty much what I thought it would. So during the night, as always, man, I'm always looking at the charts. I went ahead and put a couple more zones. I did a 15-minute zone, which is playing out perfectly, and I'm gonna show y'all in just a minute on just that. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna see what kind of money we can make today. You dig? I'm sharing these links as always. You know I gotta share the links, man. See if I can get some viewers in here. If I do, perfect. If not, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But we just gonna keep providing this content anyways. You feel me? Cause man, this is some good stuff, man. It's some good stuff. You feel me? It's some good stuff. I'm always putting out some good stuff because I want to succeed, and I want people to succeed as well. You know what I'm saying? Why not? Why not? Why can't we all succeed in life? You feel me? Yeah, put it. What's up, y'all? We live right now. Make sure you check out my YouTube channel at Two Litty Living. You know what I'm saying? We back on the charts. See, I got all my zones. Everything is hitting properly. You know what I'm saying? Got the stream up. Let's go, man. What's up, y'all? We live right now. Make sure you check out my YouTube channel at Two Litty Living. You know, I got just putting all the stuff out there, man. I'm trying to four ingredient cheesy taco cups. Shit, trying to get better at sharing all these links and all that stuff. I got a TikTok now. You feel me? I hate TikTok with a passion, but you know what I'm saying? Like I'm trying to just get out there, man. Get all the stuff out there, and just keep putting the content out, man. Monday, Mass. You know, just keep putting content out, getting stuff out there, so people can make some money. You feel me? I am not a financial advisor at all. I'm not a CPA. I'm just a dude showing y'all my trading, and hopefully y'all can learn from it and make some money. You know what I'm saying? Uh, but I'm trying to make it to where I'm making money and not losing money. You feel me? And hopefully for y'all as well. But let's get started, man. Let's go ahead and share my little screen here, and let's get to business. Let's get to work. So what I want to show y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and hit a replay. I'm gonna hit a replay to show y'all. So I drew all these boxes. Oh shit, that happens every goddamn time, boy. So I drew all these boxes here. The yellow is my 15-minute boxes. So I went ahead and rewind the market to show y'all how my boxes end up hitting. So go ahead, let's press play. So as y'all, if y'all watched the stream yesterday, my purple boxes are from 4 hour, I believe. Yeah, my purple boxes are 1 hour. Green is my purple boxes are from 1 hour of supply and demand. Let's go rewind that one more time. All right, so let's start from here again. So yeah, the purple boxes are 1 hours, and the red is daily, and the yellow is going to be 15 minutes. So I went back into Thursday, and then it's going to pull and show Friday. So what we should do is be hitting all these zones. We should hit the purple, 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 and yellow, 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 and that's going to bring us to today. All right, so let's watch it. So we got market moving right there. See how it hits that little zone and then comes up into the purple, then comes back to the yellow, then goes down to the other purple, then it stays here consistently and then dips into the zone. And this is pretty much where we are right now. So it keeps getting into this zone here, but as you can tell, it's pulling back each time. So that tells me that market should be moving upwards, at least back into this zone here. And I'm hoping that it gets into this zone here. And this is where I ultimately want to pull my big move. Because like I said, this is the daily. I probably should have showed you on the hour chart. But this is my daily resistance or supply zone right here. So I'm hoping that it hits somewhere in this area so I can have a bigger trade. But right now we just waiting, man. We waiting. I think I already got a trade because since this pretty much pulled back each time, even if I'm looking at the hour. But let's slide back to the 15 minutes so we just get a closer look. But see how it dipped into this zone here? It went past it a little bit, but then it just pulled right back. It did it 3 times, and usually 3 times is normally the strike. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and go into my trade screen. But yeah, I'm pretty certain the market's gonna move upwards. But I would like to see it hit this zone first. But hit this zone right here first before I just feel fully confident in taking it up since we're so close. But if you look at it, see how this one is. This is the lower low, higher low, and another higher low. So that tells me that market is trying to move its way upwards. You know what I'm saying? But as always, I don't like to put in trades while it's in the candle, while the candle is moving in the way that I want it to go. I like to get it in while it's kind of lower. But I think that might have just been the end of it, but we'll see. I would like to see this candle turn a little bit red, probably get to 33,900. But yeah, I want to see it turn a little bit red, and then I'll get in. I'll feel confident getting in because this is trending upwards. But we just want to make sure, you know what I'm saying? And see, that's why I didn't want to get in, but I wanted to see it touch this box first, see what it's going to do, and then we'll probably go ahead and strike a trade. All right, let it come down some, let it come down. All right, we in the box now. And it pull back. It's coming down again. It's probably about to pull. All right, and all right, perfect, perfect. All right, right there. So I entered in my first trade. And let's see what it do. God damn, go in. All right. So now I'm gonna bring y'all to my trading screen. And let's see, man. Already up some money. Let's go, man. Perfect call right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and set a stop loss. I'm gonna set my stop loss at 33,894. So as I told y'all, man, y'all just gonna watch me get better and better, man. Better and better at taking trades and doing this stuff. You know what I'm saying? Because I just want to show y'all how to continuously progress inside the market. Now this one we're gonna go and take profit pretty quickly just because we close to this zone right here. I think it goes upwards, but you know I just want to go ahead and take profits. You know what I'm saying? And like I hate leaving money on the table, but we trying to make some money right now. But yeah, as y'all can tell, we already up 17 bucks. So that was a good call, good play, and man, it just played out perfectly, man. So this is why I stay on the charts all day, all the time, man, because you know, proper preparation makes execution better. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go ahead and get out of this just because it's in that area of indecision. See how it's a bunch of it pulls up and then pulls right back down. So I don't really trust that. So I would like to see $20 profit, but if not, we'll just take what the market gives. And it's looked like it's just giving it's giving all right, we got a new candle now. Let's see what this one does. It probably pulls me out of profit before it decides. Or maybe not. Let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see how right I was. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. All right, so this is all good news right here. All good news. It's trying to push down, but it's not pushing down a lot. So that's pretty good. I do have my stop loss there just in case, but I won't let this go out of profit, honestly. But it looked like I had a great move. So let's see what it do, baby. Let's see what it do. But like I said, it's in that area of indecision. So and it keeps bouncing off of that. So we'll give it one more try. Give it one more try and reject it again. Let's try it one more time. And there we go, pushing through, pushing through. There we go, push through, baby, push through. There we go. There we go. All right, we're going to take that profit right there. So just made $25 in what, 2 minutes, 3 minutes or whatever. Could go for more, but like I said, we in this area right here. I would like to see it past that first before I start feeling comfortable. I would like to see it past this part, especially before I feel comfortable enough. So now we're just gonna go back, focus on the charts again. But you see how it's pulling back from here, and then it's also pulling back from here as well too. So it's pretty much staying in this zone area. But I would wait to my next area to jump back in. I'll either jump back in if it comes back in this, or if it comes up in here. So now it's all about the waiting game. We already made what, $25, I think. Yeah, $25. So we looking good, man. We looking good. And just as I thought, it pulled back. So that's why I went ahead and took that profit, y'all. So I'm showing y'all me getting better. Like I said, man, all these videos are just to show me getting better as a trader. And hopefully y'all can start your journey as well, and y'all can learn from my mistakes, and also y'all can learn from my good doings as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to be better, get better, and look better. You know what I'm saying? But yes, sir. So now we just waiting, man. We just waiting, man. We just waiting, man. And good thing I got out of that, man, because I don't know, it's just you can just see the inconsistency right here, man. So that's why you can just see that inconsistency, man. That's why I got out of the trade. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not very trustworthy right now. Like maybe yes, I probably could have held the trade because if you look at the trend, it's still going upwards. It's still this is lower low, higher low, and a higher low again. So this is showing that the market is going upwards, right? But I just want to secure profits, and then if it drops, I can just get back in. You know what I'm saying? But the main thing is just secure profits, take it for what it is. You know what I'm saying? But you will start seeing me get better and more confident as a trader. I'll start just putting it at break even. Like I'll just break even on the trade. Say right now I was taking a possibility of losing like 20 points, which I think ends up like $20 or something like that. Uh, or maybe no, it was probably 30, $40, somewhere around there. Anyways, that was my stop loss. But I wasn't gonna let it lose profit once we was in profit. I was gonna take profit, whether if it's like $2, $3 or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Uh, but what I want to do is be able to pick my spots and then hold them and then let the play work out. But right now I'm just scalping, so I'm just taking profits. You know what I'm saying? Just being smart about it. And I was right in my move, but I'm not confident enough to hold my moves. You know what I'm saying? So that'll be all part of the journey as well too. Y'all just see me get more and more confident. So we're gonna go ahead and write down my little journal. So for a long time, man, a lot of people always says, man, keep a trading journal. I would never did. Like I kept a mental journal. Like when I very first started, I kept a journal, and I used to write down like all my trades, man. Like I used to write them all down. Now, let me show y'all. Let me change the camera. So I used to write down every single one of my trades. So this is when I very first started trading. See that January 1st? This was January 1st, 2022. Because we in 23. Yeah. 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 So yeah, this is 22. So as you can tell, I would write down how much I made on profit. So even 23 cents, 23 cents, and I lost $6. Even a dollar, even a dollar. I think what was that, a loss? Yeah. But see how many trades I had in one day? It was a lot, man. Uh, but yeah, so that's how I very first started. So I'm just trying to get back to the stuff that I was doing before that helped me to become where I'm at now. You know what I'm saying? That's all part of the journey, baby. So what I'll write down for today, what I did bad is not be confident in my move, not be confident in my move to hold, be confident to hold. The good is that I waited on my setup. Good, waited on setup. On setup. And if you notice, it's always the same stuff that I'm writing down, yo. It's always the same stuff. And look at that move, man. Look at that move, man. I'm gonna show y'all on a 5-minute chart. That was a good move. That was actually a really good move. But see, it usually comes up here and then it gets froggy. So that's why I got out of it. You know what I'm saying? Like I just made some profit. I made $25. I'm not too mad about it. But like I said, I could have been more confident in my move and just held it. You know what I'm saying? I could have just held it. But I'll get better at that. I'll get better at that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see me get better and better, baby. That's what it's all about. Better living, dog. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, we're just waiting on the next move. Hopefully, it hits this zone, but if it doesn't, at least it's gonna try to. You know what I'm saying? But we'll wait and we'll figure out what our next move is gonna be. If it does hit this area and then it pulls back, then I'll know for sure to just go ahead and put in a sell. But if it doesn't, then for sure it's still a sell. But I would want to see it hit here first before I start putting in a sell. Because if it gets to this area and then falls out of it, then it'll go into the next area. But since we got some pullback right here, this is telling me that it's a sell. But I'm just not completely sure. So just because I'm not completely sure, I'm gonna just stay out of it. Because I don't want to be chasing what I would like to call chasing the bag. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be chasing the bag. Chasing the bag. And look at that. So we got that red candle there. So that's why I just didn't believe it. So now it's probably gonna come back up. It's gonna try to retest this area one more time. And then if it pulls back again, we'll go ahead and enter the sell. Man, it's finna start. It's about to start getting real simple for your boy, man. It's about to get real simple for your boy, man. I'm getting better and better at this trading stuff, man. And it's cause like I had to wake up. You know what I'm saying? I had to wake up and realize what the hell is going on before I start losing money. You know what I'm saying? Like I've lost so much money, yo. And honestly, I'm tired of losing, bro. I'm tired of losing money, bro. Like I've lost that much money. I'm tired of losing money. So that's why I'm like, all right, bro. You got to be smarter, bro. You have to be smarter. Because if you don't, if you not, then you're just gonna continue to lose money. And I don't want to do that, bro. Like I do not want to do that. Like that is no, no. I'm not gonna continue losing money, bro. I'm just not gonna do that. I've came too far to just lose so much. I've lost a lot, and I'm tired of losing. So once again, it pulled up. This time it went lower, and now it's starting to pull on back. So we'll go ahead. I'll show y'all here on my screen. Now we'll go ahead and put in the sell. And probably it's gonna try to come back up a little bit because I'm a little early. I'm a little early to the party. I should have waited for it to come back up first, but that was just a little premature. So now I'm a little too confident in a bad move. Too confident, too early. Too confident, too early. So yeah, I should have waited until it got back up to this part right here, just to make sure it don't pass here, and then put in that trade. But I didn't. But and that's just part of the game, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you're early, sometimes you're late. Uh, but yeah, so it's creeping on up. We got 2 more minutes inside of the 5, and we'll see what it does. But here goes the pullback. So yeah, I was spot on, but just early to the party. And that's another thing I want to do is just be more patient. and learn how to pick my spots. You know what I'm saying? Got to get better at picking spots. Although my first spot was perfect, that was spot on. Yeah, that was. I don't. It couldn't get no better than the first spot that I picked. But number one, this is already tricky because we got all this noise going on, man. So it's already a tricky. It's already tricky candles. You know what I'm saying? So we were in a little bit of profit, then it pulled back up, and so just how it pulled back up, I don't really like the move no more. So we just go ahead and take this profit right here. Oh, let's see what it does. Let's see. Oh, yep, pulls back. So let's go ahead and take that profit. We're gonna go and get out of that. So we just made what, $4 on that trade. So we're up $29 for the day so far. So far so good. So now we're back on the charts. So that was just a premature move there. So that means for sure, I thought it would be going down, but it's not going down. I believe now that it's going up just from how that last candle was. It should be going up now. But so that was one thing I was telling you on Friday is how I want to be adaptable to changes. I want to be more adaptable. Like I'll be thinking market gonna go one way, and then market shows you that it's gonna go another way. And what I want to do is be more adaptable and open to not seeing what I think is going to happen play out. You know what I'm saying? So, uh, and look, it's going down now. So maybe I was right, maybe not. But the thing is, I got out of the trade, and I'm just staying clear, and I'm just let market do what it do and figure out. Because right now it's just a bunch of noise, man. Since it's staying in this area right here, it's just best to just steer clear of the market and just let the market do what it's gonna do. Maybe it looked like it's about to try to retest back to here. Maybe, maybe not, but we'll see. But all I think all it does is retest back to there, back to that zone, and then pulls on up. Because just from how the trend is looking, like this is a great trend here, a great upward trend. So I went ahead and drew that little trend line there. So now if it breaks through there, if it breaks through there, gets in here, and then pulls back to this line, then I'll know to hit buy. So we'll go ahead and have that on standby. And we'll just keep our eye on the charts. And it's getting into that zone. Man, y'all actually seeing my markups play out perfectly. Yo. Like I'm ecstatic right now. I'm ecstatic right now. So like I said, hit that yellow box. Oh, it's pushing through it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what it do. Let's see if it pulls back like all the other candles. So as y'all can see, I was spot on with that with that trade, yo. I was spot on. Man. I just didn't believe in myself. Ain't that something? And I was harping on myself because I said I'm too confident too early, but really I wasn't. That was actually a good scalping candle right there. That was a good 40, another 40, $50 right there. But we seeing what's going on. Like I said, I want to see it pull back to that line. If it pulls back to that line, then we'll know to go ahead and enter in a buy. Just kind of clean that up a little bit, get it more spot on. But if it don't, if this closes below my box, then we'll be going into the next box. So I'm keeping my eyes open for both ways. But yeah, it looked like it just retested, and now it's coming back to earth. Let this last minute play out and see what the new minute does. The new minute might try to take us underneath, but right now we're in that box, so that's perfect. Like, as long as we close in the box, then we good. And here's Freya. Freya, Freya, Freya. Yeah, get on, chump. Look, here we go, dude. Having a dog with a lot of fur, bro, is hell, man. I'm gonna have to sweep every single day. Cause she shed hair everywhere. All my dog lovers, put some dog paws in the chat. All right, here we go. Pull back. Now let's make sure it hits this and then goes above it. Cause it might just hit it and stay below it. Man, we see we got a little bit of a double top getting created right here too. So we got a little double top. See this shoulder right here, and then build this shoulder here, and this will be my neckline. So if we come over this neckline, then it'll be going back up. If not, then it'll be smooth, shooting on down, man, shooting on down. So yeah, man, this is all part of the game right here. Just showing y'all a couple trades, showed y'all how to make a quick 30 bucks. Definitely could have made more, but hey, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta be more confident. You know, I just wasn't confident. Sometimes it be like that. So we just waiting, man. We just waiting for the next move. And this is just one thing I just want to get better at. Just waiting for the moves, being patient. You know what I'm saying? Making sure it's gonna do whatever it's gonna do, and then I can react. So they always say trading is not about anticipating, but it's about reacting. You want to be able to react to what the market is doing and not anticipate what the market's going to do. That's how you make money. Just being patient and reacting. Reacting with some action. You feel me? But man, that move I had down, it's crazy. And this is why we wait, man. We wait. We wait to see the next move, man. Wait to see the next move. Go get it. Go and get it. Baby girl. Baby girl. It's your world. Baby girl. It's your world. Use a dog, not a frog. So yeah, man, just waiting. So we did hit this neckline again, but we're still not going above it. Let me take volume out so I get a good look. So yeah, we're still not going above it, but we did pull back once again, and we didn't get lower than this candle right here. So that still shows me that we should still be in an upwards movement. But right now, I'm not sure because we do have a possible double top. So this is a double top right here. And I can show y'all this as well. Let me show y'all on the screen here. So yeah, so this is what you call a double top, right? So that's pretty much what I have drawn right here. See that double top? Same thing, 1 and 2, and double top. And see how it came back to it and it decided that it wanted to go down. So that's why I wasn't too heavy on it, on the market going up. And we still not lower than this one. Like, in order for it to be a full sell, it needs to be lower than this one. And we haven't gotten there. So since we haven't gotten there and it continues to pull back, this is still showing me that it's having bullish tendencies, but I want to be watchful of it just because we have a potential double top. You know what I'm saying? Although it's a potential, don't mean that it will be. You know what I'm saying? So that's why we just making sure, and I'm keeping my eyes on it, just to make sure that it don't turn out to end up coming back up, and which it is. But it is because it keeps pulling back. Every time it comes down, it pulls back. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, But now since we went over the hump, we got to stay above it. And we in a new minute also. So if this stays above it, then perfect. But if not, then it should be sliding on down. So just wanted to show y'all that. Now back to the original screen. Yada da. Yeah, I'm showing y'all some game today. This is a hell of a stream right here. So I made some profit, and as y'all can tell, I'm just sitting here chilling, man. I already made $30. I'm chilling. It took me 5 minutes to make $30, and now I'm just chilling, man. I'm trying to make sure I don't lose no money. You feel me? That's what it's all about. I'm pretty certain of the move of going upwards, but I just want to make sure before I put in another trade. You know what I'm saying? Because now we below the trend line. So now we are below the trend line. So I want to make sure it gets above this trend line before I feel comfortable taking another trade. You know what I'm saying? So we just waiting. So this is all part of trading, people. Sometimes you don't have to trade every single candle. You know what I'm saying? And I'm learning that. I'm learning to be more patient, more selective with my moves. Because honestly, whenever I'm trying to like go for my moves too much, you just get greedy. You know what I'm saying? You get greedy, and greed is the #1 reason of losing money, man. It's being greedy. Like I should be ecstatic. I made $30, which I am. I'm ecstatic because all my plays panned out. Every single one of them panned out, but I just got out of them early. You know what I'm saying? But they all panned out. So I am ecstatic. But usually you get that greed bug and be like, damn man, but it wasn't enough, man. I should have made it. You know what I'm saying? And whenever you start telling yourself that, that's when you start messing up, man. It happens every single time, bro. And I've seen it because I've done it. You know what I'm saying? I've done it quite a bit, y'all. I've done it quite a bit, man. And it's never pretty. It's never pretty. Because I'll turn a good day into a negative day very, very quickly. So now, as y'all can tell, we went above my trend line, and that played out perfectly, man. So that double top that I thought was about to happen, that is null and void now. So that's out of the question, out of the picture. And we on the last minute, so we should close above this trend line. If we close above it, then I'm gonna go ahead and take that going upwards, and then we should be going. We should be moving up. Moving on up. All right, so we closed above. We closed above, buddy. Let's see what this candle does. I want to see it dip below or touch that line, go back to touching the line, and then I'll start shooting up. Or maybe it just shoots up now. Who knows? But we gonna wait before I put in my trade. It's giving me bullish momentum. I feel it. I feel it. But as y'all can see, it how it stayed in this area. It never left this area. It pretty much stayed in this area, man. So that was a really good. So this is now the demand zone. This is what you call the demand zone. Once price gets inside this demand, the buys start to happen, and every time the buys start happening, and we can go and look at the volume as well. And now we can see the volume increasing on these to bring it back. And look at it now, shooting up like a shooting star. So I missed out on the buy opportunity there, showing y'all, but that's fine. That's all part of the game, baby. But just wanted to show y'all, man. So RSI is looking good. Everything's looking good. But now we still got to pass this area right here, though. We still got to pass this area because it could just come up here and pull on back down and then go downward. But the days like this where the market not really moving one way, it's just moving up, down, it's just best to just steer clear, stay out of the way, and just wait, man. Just be patient. Just be patient for your move. Because it hasn't decided if it's I would need to see it break this zone to be confident in either way, honestly. In either way. But I don't want to take too much of y'all time, man. Today is a waiting day in the market, as y'all could tell. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. I wanted y'all to see some more profit being made, but it's just not looking like the time for that. Just because how it's going, it's not going very good in the market. But yeah, man. And of course, I got a dog that want to play. Good catch, girl. Good catch. And look, it came up, went right back down. So I went through here. As long as we get some pullback from here, then I'll probably go ahead and enter a buy. So let's see. Let's see. We dipping into our box again. And we should hit this line. We should hit this line and then bounce off of it. And it did. And that happened right as I was saying it. But yeah, market still ain't decided if it's gonna go up or if it's gonna go down, man. It's just staying in this little nasty area right here. Went through it now. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the hell it's gonna do, man. I don't know. I was gonna strike, but I ain't striking. I ain't striking no more. If we stay above, then we might be clear. If we stay below, then we might not be. So just gotta keep watching, man. Keep watching. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm ready to hit some buy. I'm ready to hit some buy, some sell. I'm ready to hit something. But I ain't ready to lose no money. That's one thing I ain't trying to do. I ain't ready to lose no money. All right, we bouncing off of that consistently. It's the last minute. Pullback. All right, perfect. Got the pullback we needed. See what this candle try to do. We'll go ahead and hit buy. Went below. See if it pulls back. It did. Uh-oh, it went lower. Uh-oh. See, good thing I hit buy. It's gonna reach out this area one more time. It didn't try this area quite a bit. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. So it's trying to go down. The market is clearly trying to go down. Let's see if it pulls back. If it pulls back into my yellow box. All right, I hit that a little premature. So I went ahead and hit buy. I'll show you all on this screen here. And let's see if we make some money off this trade. Now this one I'm not very confident in, so this one's gonna be very, very quick. If it end up a loss. If it goes below 33,877, we'll have to get out of that. So that's 10 points. So I got 10 points to make some moves or not. So I'll go ahead and put my stop loss there. And look, it's already about to hit it. 33,875. I gave it a little benefit of the doubt. So I went ahead and put my stop loss there because I'm not very confident in this move. And I want to protect myself from myself. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you play stupid games and you get stupid prizes. Like they used to tell us in the military, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. All right, let's see, man. We down to $2 right now, and down 3, down 4. Let's see if we keep pulling back. So pretty much every time it's gotten to that area, man, it didn't pull back. But this might be the time it breaks through. But that's why I got my stop loss there, because I don't want to be part of the crew that gets hit when it finally decides to break through. All right, keep pulling back, keep pulling back. Oh yes, it's doing it. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm rocking, y'all, because I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Woo, woo, woo. There we go. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Hopefully it don't come back. Don't come back. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. So there we go, man. We in profit now, baby. We in profit now, baby. Uh-oh. Sliding on back down, baby. There we go. Let's go. Keep pushing upwards. So it's steady staying in the zone. So once again, I'll be getting out once it comes up to here to 33.93. That's where I'll be getting out at. If it makes it there. I don't think it does. But we shall see. We shall see. And this is how you play the market, man. This is how you play the market. I keep telling y'all, man, I'm gonna get better and better at this stuff. Because the better I get with charts, the easier it becomes, man. It's becoming easier and easier. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that, man. Now, should I go ahead and take profit now, or should I let the play out? I don't know. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't root and toot and tell you. All right, so if it gets below this candle, then we'll go ahead and jump out, man. Or better yet, what I'll do, since we got some positive movement, I got in 33.887. So now I'm gonna change my stop loss to 33.890. So therefore, I just leave with some profit, regardless of what it does. So if it comes down, then I'll make profit. If it stays up, then we'll just continue making profit. So now we just pretty much stand in the profit zone. But I'm looking to close out at 33.933. And my dog's taking me away. So yes, we are up $30 right now. Man, hopefully y'all been watching the stream. If y'all, I'm not a financial advisor. Once again, I'm just showing y'all, I'm just the dude making moves inside the market, man. I'm learning how to make money the best way possible. But if you are liking this video, man, make sure you like and subscribe, man. I'm putting out content Monday through Friday, and then Sunday I'm gonna be putting out chart stuff. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all are liking this, make sure y'all like, hit the notification button or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see when your boy is streaming, because I'm always putting on some good game. So see how that's pulling back and all that stuff? I'm not too confident in that no more. So we'll go ahead and take profit now. See if it get me back to 25. Maybe that 30 area is pulling back each time. Freya, what the hell are you doing, bro? All right, we got some more upward movement. We ain't done. We ain't done. We ain't done, son. Oh, pull back. And more pullback. And we'll take that. All right, so just made 20 bucks on that. So that's $56 for the day. And good thing I got out of it, because look at that. It would have brought me back to my break-even point. But it probably was just gonna trick me out and then move on upwards. But like I said, I'm not very confident in that. We made 50 bucks for today. It's not too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this stream out with y'all. What the hell? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and close this stream out with y'all. It's your boy Too Litty. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. It's your boy Too Litty, and I'm cashing out, baby. Let's get it.